Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Regrad. Now in this video I want to explain about these problems related to trigonometry. Now see the first problem. The sides of a right angle triangle PQR PQ is equal to 7 centimeters, QR is equal to 25 centimeters, and angle P is equal to 90 degrees respectively. Then find tan Q minus tan R. The sides of a right angle triangle PQR are PQ is equal to 7 centimeters, QR is equal to 25 centimeters. Okay, maybe this is direct sum. Two sides gave. Okay, now consider right angle triangle. Which triangle we should take? PQR only. Right angle at what? P. So that's why P. So PQR like this. First you write right angle, then only remaining angles you write. I told already. Now in this PQ 7 centimeters he gave. So directly values you can write PQ. PQ is 7 centimeters. QR is 25 cm. 25. Okay. Third side we have to calculate by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now consider triangle ABC. Angle P is equal to 90 degrees. For this, now we should find out the third side. First, for that what we should do? Taking Pythagoras theorem. So that you write, here you write, according to APT, according to Pythagoras theorem, apply Pythagoras theorem here. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is what? QR. QR you write, square, is equal to PR, PQ plus PQ squares. So hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. This is hypotenuse, Pythagoras theorem. Now substitute the values. QR there 25 square, PR not there, we have to calculate, so leave it like this, PR square plus PQ 7 there, square it. Now PR square you want means this 25 square minus this, that side will means 7 square. Now 25 is 625 minus 7 49. So 625 79, subtract 6 7 is 576. PR square is equal to 576. PR you want means 576 root, that is 24. You want means you should calculate. See, 2 2s are 4, 176, 2 double say 4 you write, 4 4s are 16, 1, 16 plus 1 7. This 4 goes to here. This method I told already, that lessons I explained clearly how to do. Now anyway, the square root of 576 is 24. So PR is equal to 24 cm, centimeters. This you can write here, 24 cm. Okay. Now once you know all the sides, you can proceed. Actual sum. Find what he asked to find. Tan Q minus tan R. So individually we should find out first. Okay. First find out tan Q value. That is tan formula is what? Opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side to angle Q by adjacent side to angle Q. That is the formula. Substitute the sides and values. Q, for Q, see, take this as angle. Opposite side is PR by adjacent side is PQ. Now the value PR is 7, PR is 7 by PQ is 24. PR is 24. Remember carefully, see, PQ is 7. (24 by 7). Next, tan R. Tan R. Tan formula. Again same. Opposite side 2. But here, instead of angle Q, you should write R. So, always tan formula is opposite side by adjacent side. So, write adjacent side. Adjacent side to which angle we are considering, that angle you write here. We are considering R. So, according to R you take. Now, according to R you take opposite side for R is PQ by adjacent side is PR. PR. That is, you only write the sides. PQ 7 by PR 24. Okay. Now, but what he asked, tan Q minus tan R he asked. So, therefore, tan Q minus tan R, this you want, final answer. So, substitute the values. Tan Q we calculated 24 by 7 minus here. Tan R we calculated 7 by 24. Now, you know, to solve this, LCM is, this is prime number, so that's why the LCM may be 7 into 24. So, 7 7 24, 24. 24, 24, so how much you know from this? 576 minus 7, 7 7 0, 49. Now, here 5, what is there? 576 minus 49. So, 16 minus 9 is 7, 6 minus 2, 5, 527. See, 527 by down 7 4 are 28, 2, 7 2 are 14 plus 2, 16. 7 4 are 28, 2, 7 2 are 14 plus 2, 16. So, the total answer is 527 by 168. Okay. What he asked, that only you write lastly and substitute the values. The next sum. Understood everyone? Now, second sum, if 3 tan A is equal to 4, then find sin A and cos A. This is also directly, it did not give value. Some just like equation he gave. Okay. Now, angle A is there now. We should consider any triangle A is there means we should consider a right angle triangle ABC only. We will take A, B, C. A is there means A. We can write for this A. Now, consider right angle triangle ABC. Consider right angle triangle ABC. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. This we are taking. Now, given, what he given, so see, 3 tan A is equal to 4 he gave, like equation he gave. This is very simple only, see, because you want tan A, 4, this come to this side, it divides, tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Now it becomes so direct, tan A value gave 4 by 3. Therefore, tan A is equal to 4x by 3x. Here, taking 4x by 3x, taking x is a positive integer. Taking x positive integer, we should multiply with that integer ratio. Then it becomes ratio. So 4x by 3x. Now, tan A formula is what? Opposite. Full you write. Okay. tan A is what? Opposite side to, right? Opposite side to angle A by adjacent side. Adjacent side to angle A, that is equal from A, opposite side is BC by adjacent side AB. This is tan A value given. This is tan A formula we wrote. Value gave, that only write here, 4x by 3x. That means by this we got. So what we got? BC by AB is equal to 4x by 3x. X cancel. Okay, according to this, we can write here BC, AB we got. BC is to AB is equal to 4x is to 3x, that we got. So now you write there BC 4x you write BC, AB 3x you write. Okay. Now 2 you know, because he gave tan A, by using that only we conclude the ratio of these two sides. That's why ratio we got. So remaining AC we have to calculate. Now APT. According to Pythagoras theorem, apply. Hypotenuse square AC square is equal to one side square AB square plus other side square BC square. Substitute the known values. AB, BC only we know. Directly hypotenuse only asked. So AB, BC values you substitute. AB for 3x whole square plus 4x whole square, that is equal to 9x square plus 4 4s are 16x square, that is equal to 25x square. AC value you want means 25x square root you do. AC square is this one. AC is root of. So 5x. 25 root is 5. X square root is x. AC is 5x. Now by using these ratios we can find what he asked. What he asked? Find sin A and cos A. Okay. You see there. First sin A. Here I will write. Formula I should write no. Sin A. Sin A is what? Opposite side to angle A by hypotenuse. This is the sine formula. For angle A, opposite side is BC, by hypotenuse is AC. For this, for A, opposite side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Values you know, BC value is 4x, AC value is 5x, x cancel. The ratio should be 4 by 5. So, therefore, sin A is 4 by 5. What he asked, that only. Sin A asked, so sin A value 4 by 5. Likewise, cos A. So, cos A. Formula you write. Cos A means instead of opposite side, adjacent side. Formula is adjacent side to A only asked by hypotenuse. So, adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side to angle A? AB. What is adjacent side to angle A? AB. Hypotenuse is AC. Substitute the values. AB value is 3x. AC value is 5x. X cancel. Therefore, cos A is 3 by 5. So, sin A value is 4 by 5, he asked. Cos A value is 3 by 5, he asked. What he asked, we found. So, like this, we can solve. Same. Okay. I hope everyone understood this problem. Okay. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to notify my all the videos. If you subscribe my channel and click on bell icon, whichever videos I prepared, you can intimate. If you want, please subscribe.